Welcome to my channel, where every turn of the wheel could decide your fate. From insane maneuvers to instant karma crashes, you're about to witness it all. Rise to fame through road rage? Trust me, nobody wants that.
Neck, yeah. Yeah. I mean, when you watch them on film, you're like, okay, this is,
Looks like his wife is calling him home early. The gray car nearly had a taste of cement. Looks like the car wants to go hiking instead of driving.
Oh, crap! Oh my God!
And this pickup truck seems to prefer flying instead.
Yeah, they started working on it, but okay. I thought it was just something.
The truck is going way too fast. We'll get it.
Hey, buddy, how have you been lately? The girl is experiencing a roller coaster ride. That's a wheel, not a snowboard, buddy. The Mustang went a bit overboard with that drift. I think that sign meant go ahead, not stop dead.
Oh, that's what I just did deal.
Apparently, that pickup thinks it's in a stunt show just for me. Looks like she and the car are not getting along again. Pretty sure they binge-watched Tom and Jerry for too long. Now they're acting it out.
Holy hell! Oh my God!
He meant to block the train, but turns out the train blocked him. A round of applause for that bus driver's maneuver.
Okay, we're stopping.
Messing with each other on the highway never leads to anything good.
Okay, stop.
He tried to give the truck a cool entrance. Yeah, that didn't end well.
Oh my God!
Like, it's just not.
The black
I
SUV
heard.
freaked out and
You
looked
alright?
totally confused. Looks like the truck's dozing off behind the wheel.
Too bad.
And this must be a friend of that orange car from earlier.
It's right there.
Anybody behind us?
Wait, is he actually trying to drive against traffic? Are you getting dizzy from this situation? Because I sure am.
Аварийное видео записывается.
He probably realized things would go smoother if he just disappeared. Not looking when merging, that's a pricey mistake waiting to happen. Okay, this is straight out of Fast and Furious now. Bet the new SUV owners are crying inside right now. Ah yes, the classic "if I run, I disappear" strategy. Being in a hurry? Yeah, your wallet's the one that suffers. When you're carrying a massive load like that, safety isn't optional. Left turn from a go straight lane? Smooth move. Enjoy that camera ticket. Did he just go up that slope to build momentum? A bitter ending for getting out of the car without pulling the handbrake.
Whoa!
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support Car Zone so we can keep bringing you intense and eye-opening crash footage. Thanks for watching Car Zone.